Hey, what's going on, all of you lovely people? This is going to be a super quick video because I need to run out, but I had to come and tell you guys about this position. Y'all always say, Thick Chick, you don't come over here and share the work at home jobs with those of us who don't have Facebook pages. So I am here to share a couple of work at home jobs with you guys today. First and foremost, just make sure that you're following the blog. I post all of the jobs over there on the blog so you can bookmark it or whatever it is that you need to do, and check it daily. I update it either every day or every other day on the weekends. Sometimes I may or may not update it, but more oftentimes than not throughout the week I'm uploading every day, and sometimes on a Saturday and a Sunday depending on what's available, okay? But if you just so happen to have a Facebook page, you definitely want to come over and join the Work at Home Lounge and get you some of those nuggets that are over there in that group, okay? All of the links will be in the description box down below. What I love about this position is that they are hiring in all U.S. states, okay? Now, you need to be available in the Eastern Standard Time, though. So you can live anywhere as long as you're willing to work during the Eastern Standard Time hours, okay? So what this company is looking for, they're looking for customer service representatives to work from home, of course. You'll be taking inbound calls from customers who have requests that range from basic product and or contract inquiries to more complex transactions and problem resolution. It could be a mixture of all of those, so you will need to be able to multitask, all right? Training class begins on April 8th. And it runs for 4 weeks. The hours are 9 to 5 Eastern Standard Time. After training is complete, a shift rotation begins. The hours are 8 to 4 Eastern Standard Time, 9 to 5 Eastern Standard Time. The rotation is on a monthly basis, so you need to be sure that you're available for both of those shift times when you are applying, because again, they do rotate the shifts, okay? So you have the 8 to 4 and 9 to 5. So you need to make sure that you're available for both of those before you apply. Also, go over and apply to VeriFast. I'll put all of the links, the link in the description box, and I'll put the name of the company in the description box so you can just go over, click on it, and it'll take you directly to the application, okay? But VeriFast is looking for customer service representatives to work from home. I've had multiple people who have inboxed me telling me that they've gotten hired with this company within the last week, okay? So apparently they're hiring pretty fast. So if you're looking for a job, you definitely want to go over and apply for VeriFast as well as Manulife. They're both on the blog, but again, I'll put the names in the description box. But VeriFast is looking for customer service representatives. Now, they mainly work with clients that are in the newspaper industry. So you'll pretty much be doing customer service, calling the customers and reporting back to the newspaper so they can take appropriate action if, a client is having an issue with, something that has to do with their newspaper delivery or something, okay? This is me speculating because I don't work for the company, but just reading off of their job description, that is what they're looking for. They're saying our customer service representatives work from their home, making customer service calls for our newspaper clients. In most instances, we are checking on the customer service and reporting back to the newspaper so they can take appropriate action, okay? You must be able to commit working at least 20 hours or more per week in the evening or on the weekend, okay? You must have basic typing and personal computer skills. So you don't need to be a, computer guru, but you need to definitely have basic typing and computer skills, okay? Of course, you're going to need a social security card and a current state issue photo ID so they can verify that you're legally eligible to work within the United States of America, all right? Again, all of this information will be in the description box for you guys to go over and apply for any job that you are interested in. And of course, there are several others over there that you guys may be interested in as well. I've talked to you guys about Playtest Cloud in the past. All Playtest Cloud it's an app that you download on your phone and you play games for money. Literally. That is all that you do. There was a young lady who posted in the group the other day. I think she made $11 for just playing a game on her phone. I average anywhere from $40 to $50, sometimes $30 a month playing games on my phone, okay? And I have that listed on the blog as well as Playtest Cloud. But again, I'll put it in the description box down below. So literally all you'll be doing is downloading an app, playing games for app developers, okay? And they pay you anywhere from $3, sometimes it could be $11, sometimes more, $15 to literally play games on your phone. One of the easiest gigs that you'll probably ever do, you guys, okay? So again, Manulife, Verifast, and Playtest Cloud, they're all on the blog. But again, I'll put the names in the description box down below for those of you who need a visual of exactly what I'm saying, because I understand that sometimes I talk fast. So definitely go over and apply if you're interested. With Manulife, you can live anywhere in the United States of America. With Verifast, they don't have any state restrictions, so I would apply just in case. You never know, okay? With Playtest Cloud, you can live anywhere. So go over and apply to those gigs. Go and get you some of this work at home money, and definitely do not forget to go over and join the Work at Home Lounge over there on Facebook. Awesome things going on in that group, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.